Setting aside various accounts of disappearing aircraft, let us examine specific space missions. A number of astronauts recounted that they came across objects in space which showed characteristics of controlled aircraft. During the Gemini 4 space program in 1965, the second US manned spaceflight, a UFO was sighted by astronauts James McDivitt and Ed White. For about an hour, the cylindrical object kept pace with their ship. Photos taken by the astronauts were analysed by Mission Control, but they were never officially published. Flying objects of extraterrestrial origin were allegedly also seen by the crew of Apollo 11 in 1971. These objects are mentioned in transcripts of the communication between the crew and Houston Control Center. Buzz Aldrin, the second man to set foot on the moon, said he witnessed an unidentified object during the flight. "I observed a light out of the window that appeared to be moving alongside us," he said. However, there are many explanations as to what this could have been. Further evidence of the existence of alien life forms are the accounts of Russian cosmonaut Vladimir Kovalyonok, who spent 217 days on the space station Salyut 6 between 1977 and 1982. "I've seen many UFOs in space," he said. The 62-year-old is surprised by the silence of his colleagues. "I don't understand it when the other cosmonauts say that they didn't see anything unusual in orbit," he said, and added that he saw several UFOs of various types, shapes and sizes. Unidentified